guys, so we're doing today's wig install just a little bit differently. So you guys know that I rave about Luvme hair all of the time, and that's mostly because their wigs are always top quality, lace is always top quality, their wigs come pre-bleached, their wigs come pre-plucked, and I just feel like it's a good brand to purchase your wigs from, whether you are a beginner or whether you've been wearing wigs for a really long time. I never have any issues with their wigs. Their wigs are always top quality. So look what I got. I'm super excited to be installing their bob style wig today. Bobs are definitely in right now. They're trendy right now. So really quick, I'm going to show you guys everything that came with the box in itself, including the hair. Guys can see the lace in itself is top quality. That lace comes exactly like that, you guys. That's without bleaching, that's without plucking. Luvme hair literally sends you the wig ready for installation so that you have little to no work to do. So that's kind of what prompted me to do this tutorial just a little bit differently today. Normally I go ahead and I bleach the knots regardless if it's pre-bleached or not. I normally just have a habit of bleaching the knots anyways, but with Luvme hair wigs you really do not have to do that. I got a comment before and one of you guys was just like, well, if it comes pre-bleached, why are you bleaching it again? Normally whenever you have a pre-bleached wig, the knots are pretty much gone, but they're still noticeable in some wigs. But with Luvme hair wigs, they're not. So I was like, you know what? Let's put Luvme hair to the test today. I'm not bleaching the wig at all. Like I said, it comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, styled, ready to go, right? I didn't do anything to the wig at all, you guys. The wig is ready. So we're just gonna install it. Fresh out the box, I didn't do anything to it at all. So here is the wig, just like I showed you guys earlier. Now I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of my hand in the lace. This is a true HD transparent lace. HD transparent lace to me basically means that the lace is supposed to just melt right into your skin and it's supposed to look extremely natural, as you guys can see. So I am using my Ruby Kisses foundation, and this is in the shade number 12, and we're just gonna add some makeup onto this lace. If you're curious as to what the makeup is for, this is just to help the lace look a little bit more like your skin color. Like I said, the lace is HD transparent, but sometimes it could come up a little whitish, so we just want to really make sure that it blends into my skin tone. Okay, I think she is ready. So that's what the lace looks like right now, and that's with my makeup coverage. Again, this is just to help the lace look a little bit more like my skin color in itself. All right, so we're just gonna throw her on. I didn't do anything to this wig. Are you guys nervous? I'm not nervous because I know it's gonna come out cute regardless, but yeah. Alright, so she is fitting pretty snug, like already. Ooh, it's the bob for me. So now that I see what the wig looks like, I'm super excited to go ahead and get ready with this install. So we're just going to use my wax stick to slick her back, use a hot comb, and then I'm going to cut off all this additional lace that we no longer need. So before I take the wig off entirely, I need to cut around my ears, and I normally like to do this while the wig is still on my head. That way I don't cut off too much lace around this portion. So I'm gonna use these rigid scissors. You guys see that? Beautiful. perfect fit. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna take the wig off of my head really quick so I can get rid of all this additional lace because the scissors are pretty big, so I don't want it all in my face, and then the camera is probably gonna go out of focus, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna cut the rest of this lace off and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So I wanted to show you guys the inside of the lace one more time because I really wanted to show you where the part is, because this bob wig does come ready to install with the side part, and that's literally the only lace that you have to worry about. So first of all, showing you guys the inside of the wig. As you guys can see, that is where that side part is. Hopefully my camera is in focus so you guys can see it. So instead of all of this being lace, you just have this one side part right here. So the wig literally comes ready for you to install with the side part. Now I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to melt this lace into my hand. And remember, I did not bleach this wig, I didn't pluck it. This is how the wig came. I just added some makeup onto the lace in itself. This is absolutely beautiful. You guys see that? And remember, I did not bleach, I didn't do anything to this wig. This is how the wig came. So it came ready to install. All right, so now let's go ahead and throw her back on. Okay, so this is how it's looking, you guys. Now, if I was to keep this 100% glueless, I'm gonna give you guys a close-up as to how the lace will look if I was to keep it 100% glueless and no spray. You guys know I don't use glue regardless, so all we're going to do is just spray a little bit of Ebin adhesive spray on this lace, and we're pretty much done with this styling because the wig came ready to go, just like I told you guys. Okay, you guys, what do you think? What do you think? So we're gonna add some more makeup just on the edges of the lace, and then we're gonna hot comb and we're finished. Like, 1, 2, 3. guys, I am finished. How quick was that? This hair looks like I just stepped out of the salon. Luvme hair, you're freaking amazing. I barely had to do any work to install this wig. Like, it doesn't get any better than this, sis. It really doesn't. So if this doesn't convince you that you can purchase a Luvme hair wig, whether you're a beginner, whether you've been installing wigs for years now, it really doesn't even matter. I hope that this video proves to you that you can buy this wig and not have to worry about bleaching, not have to worry about plucking, not have to worry about styling, because the wig literally comes ready for you to throw on and go. Luvme hair specializes in that, and they are amazing at doing that. So I hope you guys are feeling this wig as much as I am, because she's cute. Make sure you check out everything in the description box down below. But of course, I'm going to give you guys some beauty outtakes before we end off this video. Alright you guys, that is the end of today's tutorial. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this new format. I really do enjoy talking to you guys, and I feel like this video was very informative, so let me know if you like this format a lot better with Luvme hair. But shout out to Luvme hair, and shout out to you guys for watching. I hope you guys found this tutorial to be helpful. Everything will be listed in the description box down below, and I will see you guys next time.